Do you find you're still hungry an hour after your meal? This is more common than you think, and here's what's going on. Hunger after eating is one of the most common things I hear from clients, and almost always the answer isn't to reduce calories right down or white knuckle it. There are some reasons behind this, and first one is that you might not be eating enough in that meal in general. A mix of protein, fiber, slow digesting carbohydrates, and fats. These are your satiety nutrients. They slow digestion and trigger the hormones that tell your brain you're full. A meal that's mostly fast digesting, unpaired carbohydrates digest quickly and leave you searching for more within the hour. Second, blood sugar. When we eat these unpaired, quick digesting foods without protein, fat, or fiber to slow the release, our blood sugar tends to spike to only drop suddenly, causing the hunger signal to our brains. It's actually your body screaming for quick energy. Enter the 2 p.m. sudden energy drop, and you're on the hunt for anything quick to keep you awake. Third, and this one may surprise some people, but it's eating when stressed, in a rush, or completely distracted. When cortisol is elevated, it interferes with leptin, our fullness hormone. So even when you've eaten enough, your brain doesn't get the signal clearly because you've just inhaled lunch very quickly and not allowed the appropriate time for signals to catch up. To help this, we can implement a complete mixed macro meal approach: protein, fat, slow digesting carbs, and fiber. That combination slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and gives your brain time to receive the fullness signal, which takes about 20 minutes. What will also help you here is to tap into these fullness signals by being fully present in your meals, seated, distractions removed, pausing throughout that meal, and of course, chewing your food. If you're always hungry after eating, start here. Build your plate differently and see what changes, and follow for more evidence-based nutrition that actually makes sense.